Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is just a normal, for the most part, grocery haul for us, but I did get some things that everybody should really just keep in their house or storage somewhere for just some backup supplies. I mean, even if there were anything could happen, like natural disasters, anything of that nature could happen. So it's always good to have just a little bit of extra buildup to hold you over, especially when you have a family. So this is just stuff that we just every once in a while will stock up a little bit on, and then we shove it away. Okay, so here is our grocery spread for the week. So I'm just gonna go over, like, again, 90% of this is mostly just our regular weekly groceries, but I got a few extra things that we could store without having to worry about them going bad or anything like that. So let's just get into it. So for the kids for lunches, I normally pack them like crackers and cheese and some summer sausage. They like making little sandwiches out of those a lot. So I got some new crackers. This is gonna just go straight into storage for just, I have 6 cans, I think. Yeah, 6 cans of just green beans. This will go into storage. And then I have some more butter. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out a way to like do this because there's just too much up here. I got 2 waters instead of just the normal 1 pack. So then my husband eats Activia, the blueberry kind, every week. Pickles, I like to throw this in with the kids' lunches. They love these pickles. They're like the little mini whole ones. Some more peanut butter because we ran out of peanut butter. And I normally buy, this is what kind we normally get, but we were all out. And since I was spending a little bit extra this week, I wanted to just get with the cheapest kind. Bananas, and I'm pretty sure they got bruised as I was unloading groceries, but 2 things of bananas, and this is normal for us to get 2 things of bananas. And then Princess wanted ice cream, so she got that. This is the summer sausage. This is not the normal kind that I get, but they had this kind on sale for super cheap. I think it was only $3.68 or something, so it was like $2 off. So this isn't, again, this is not the kind that I normally get, but this, I mean, it's still summer sausage, so they'll live. I accidentally got the fat-free, or the sugar-free kind, but my husband normally likes caramel macchiato from International Delight, and I thought this looked so good. I love cupcake and everything that has to do with cake, so I got this kind to try out, just some milk, Go-Gurt, and this time I did not get Elsa because the boys don't like taking Elsa to school, so I just got regular of that kind. I'm gonna make some more soup this week, so I think I'm gonna make some zuppa, and so I'm gonna need this to make that. They like putting these in their waters when I send them to school with just water. And then we have some broccoli and cauliflower. I just set these. Sometimes I pack them for their lunch and give them like a little bit of ranch or something, but Lainey loves to eat these throughout the day as well, and so do I. So we just pull them out of the package and have that as a snack. 2 onions, 2 yellow onions, some spring mix. Thought I might do some salads this week with our dinners. Yeah. And then we have 2 of these Italian ground sausage. So this will go in my zuppa. And then this will be frozen and set aside because this is just like ground beef. And it's just, I don't even, I'm not even sure how healthy this kind, I don't think this is very healthy at all. This is not like lean or anything like that. So, but it was a lot of meat for not a lot of money. So, and then this will be put away too. These are just noodles. I wanted to find like the meats and stuff. Like I didn't really care too much about that, but as far as like things like this, I wanted to find really like carby things that, you know, won't go bad anytime soon and that are just carby and can fill you up and make you stay full for a while. And then I figured we would do some pork tenderloin this week for dinner. This one is the garlic and herb. So that's always good. We always do those. And then some chicken. 2 packs of chicken. And then, no Dutch. I got some sourdough bread. It just sounded good. So we got some sourdough bread that you just bake at home. This will be for storage, a big giant thing of rice, which this will go a really long way. I have some kale for the zuppa. And if you don't know, zuppa Toscano, they serve it at Olive Garden, and it's so good. It's like Italian sausage and potatoes, and like a heavy cream goes in there, and it's just, oh, it's so good. You put bacon in with it. It's so good. Okay, and then I got this gigantic thing of spaghetti, 3 pounds. Some shredded cheese. Some bagels. This is like normal, like weekly things. That this is so quick for either the boys to grab when they're running out the door, or my husband will just like eat one of these, you know, whenever he's feeling snacky. 2 things of cheese. This is pretty typical for us. And this, like, I don't buy the pre-cut cheese for like cheese and crackers and stuff like that. I just literally square these off and pack it in with their lunch, and they're like good to go. This is like my favorite K-cup. It's not focusing in there. I really like this kind a lot. 2 things of eggs. I've been wanting to boil some eggs and have some boiled eggs on hand ready to go. And then we have these. I normally like to do this on Sunday, where I'll cook all of them, and then they'll have, you know, like one with breakfast or whatever if they're just eating toast before they walk out the door. But I don't know if I'm going to do that this week. If anything, they'll be saved for the weekend. Lainey really wanted some chips, so we got her, well, not just for her, but she picked out what kind of chips we were going to get this week. Just some regular bread. The Capri Suns, which you would not believe how fast we go through these. With 4 kids, like normally I would buy like 1 additional box, and then everybody gets their own box for the entire week, and when they're gone, they're gone. But this week, since I was buying so much extra stuff, I didn't even worry about that. Like, they'll just have to just drink water and get over it. I've been trying to cut out soda, and I haven't had real soda. Like, I have had Coke Zero or Pepsi Zero, but I haven't had real soda in 2 weeks. But I have just been craving it, and I'm not like super addicted to the Dr. Pepper Cherry, so I thought this was like a good, let me just get one every once in a while soda. So yeah, I got this, and then some Pepsi Zero, some chili beans. If you follow me on Instagram, I made chili this week, and I tried to do the healthy version with adding ground chicken instead of ground beef, and it was terrible, like the worst. So I got some more chili beans to make some more chili, and I still have some Rotel and stuff in there and some more seasoning, so I didn't need to buy all of that. I just needed to buy just the beans. And then we got some Lysol wipes. So from the doctors that I have heard from that are talking about this coronavirus, they said that Lysol wipes, obviously to wipe everything down, but Lysol kills the viruses and the bacteria, but we're mostly looking at just the viruses that are everywhere. So you got some of those, and I already have some downstairs, so I just wanted to get an extra one just to restock. I'm trying this fabric softener. Lainey wanted to get it because of the bear on here, so I was just like, sure, babe. Also, that same doctor said that Germ-X is the only sanitizer that will work, and you didn't want anything with for antibacteria. So they said just Germ-X. So well, that's what I did, and I'll restock all the kids like Germ-X that they carry to school with them with this, and then I'll also probably keep this in the car. That way the second they get in the car, they can do their hands, and the second we get in the car from being out and about, we can get ourselves cleaned as well. Lainey's been doing so good, like so good with not going potty at night, but these are just good to have on hand, especially like for whenever they have like late nights, and I know like if she fell asleep on the couch and I move her later, look at all my bags from groceries. If she fell asleep on the couch and I move her later, then I know that we're probably gonna have like a night where she wets the bed. But if I don't and she just goes to bed and she has like her normal routine, then she's good. But these are just good to have on hand just in case. Then I got some more toilet paper. Toilet paper math is the hardest math to do ever. Cereal, this is We haven't had this kind in a while, and I honestly was the one that wanted this. They don't eat cereal before breakfast, but this is like a snack that they like to have when they get home from school. Also, I heard I don't know what the truth is behind this, but I heard it talked about that grape juice, 1 glass of grape juice in the morning, every morning, helps to fight the flu. So I don't know how much truth is behind that, but I thought there's no harm in it, so we're gonna try doing that. Then I also got some Lysol just to, you know, I don't want to go through all those. So I got this to get on a rag. If you guys watch any of my cleaning videos, you know that I like to use bleach a lot and wipe down door handles and stuff with bleach. So I got this as well, just for, I don't know, just to have. Lainey wanted these cookies. I'm pretty sure just because they were purple, because I just gave her one and she ate like 30% of it and then I threw it away. So these will be stored away. These are just mashed potatoes. Again, carbs, a lot of carbs, and this box will go such a long way. And so it's good to have on hand just for, you know, emergency reasons. My husband likes to eat these for breakfast. Jean Delights frittatas. And this is the bacon and spinach. French toast sticks for the kids for, I would say for breakfast, but they never end up eating that. And a lot of times, like, I'll just scramble eggs, or most mornings they really just do toast. So those are just in case they're having a sweet tooth that morning. Yeah, oh, and then this detergent, if you guys know my detergent saga, if you've been around for a while, my grandma actually brought me this detergent a few weeks ago, and normally I hate Arm & Hammer. I think the smell normally gives me the worst headache. I'm so particular about it. But she gave me the purple kind, this particular kind. There's another purple kind that I tried to get. I'll show you in just a second, and it was not good. But this kind is fantastic. I loved it. It got my clothes really clean, and the smell really like stuck onto the clothes. Like, I can still go up to the kids' rooms and stuff that they have not worn since I washed it a few weeks ago. This smell is still on them. So this stuff is really good. And like I said, Lainey wanted to try the bear, so maybe this will be a good scent combo. I don't know, but stay tuned and I'll figure that out and see if it smells good together. Okay, everything's a mess in here. And then I got the dogs an extra thing of food just in case for them as well. And yeah, so here's the kind that I like. This is the kind my grandma got me that I ended up really liking. Here's the kind I thought that she got me. This is not the same. This is totally different. This does not smell that good. It's like mostly gone now, but I won't buy this one again. I was just confused by the purple. I thought it was the same. It is definitely not. This one is Tropical Paradise. This one is Fresh Burst. So yeah, totally different. This one's not good in my opinion. I don't like this one, but this one's awesome. I feel like I always skip over stuff, so I don't know if I said any of this, but these I pack in the kids' backpack for snack, and same with these fruit and grain bars. Normally I get this big giant box that's 35 bars, but they didn't have it. They were all out this week, so I just got the 16 bars, and then cream cheese for another recipe. That is everything that we got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So leave me a comment if there's anything else that you would like to see from me, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Like a body of water.